Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle Ouna. If it's your first time stopping by, you are highly welcome. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so today's video is all about a bronze glow look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please stay tuned. I'll go in with my milk of magnesia to prime her face. I'll go in with my ISSA and Dose foundation in the shade Earth Tan, and I'll be using a damp beauty blender to apply the foundation all over her face. I'll go in with my ISSA and Dose pressed powder in the shade 255 to set the foundation using my powder brush. Going in with my classic foundation in the shade CF05 to highlight her forehead, the bridge of her nose, under her eyes, under her nose, and of course her chin. If you want your eyeliner to look clean and sharp, you want to use your foundation or concealer to clean under the eyeliner using a flat angle brush or an eyeshadow brush. Just using my beauty blender to blend in all the places I highlighted. I'll go in with my Benai banana powder to set all the places I just highlighted using my wedge. Today we are going to be doing a reverse contour, so I'm going to be applying the setting powder from the top of her hair down to her lips, just like so. I'll go in with my USHAS powder palette, and I'll be using this shade to dust off the excess powder on her face using my blending brush. And then I'll just use my powder brush to dust off the remaining part of her face. I'll be using the same powder I used to set her foundation to contour her nose using my fluffy brush. I'll go in with my classic face definer in the shade CM01, and I'll be using the bronzer to give her face glow. So I'll just be applying it generously to her face. You know, we want that bronze glow look, so I'm going to be using a lot of bronzer. Come on guys, can you see that? I'm loving it. Well, you don't have to use that much. Going in with my Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsessions eyeshadow palette. I'll be using that purple shimmer shade for her lower lash line using my eyeshadow brush. I'll be using my Morphe gel eyeliner to do a cat's eye just at the inner corner of her eyes. For the lips, I'll be using my classic lip stain in the shade Notice Me. I'll be using my bronzer to highlight her lower lip, just to give it that glow and also to shape in the lip. So to set her face, I just went in with my NYX setting spray to set the whole makeup. And yeah guys, this is the end of the whole tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please give my video a thumbs up. Alright, and if you've not subscribed, please do that right now, and don't forget to hit the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. Tell me what you think about this look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.